company, always on the run, a destiny, oh, it's the rising sun. I was born, a shotgun in my hands, behind the gun, I'll make my final stand. Yeah, and that's why they call me Bad Company.
Hey everybody, welcome back to FeatherMoonOutdoors. So it is Monday, May 3rd, and it is the second day of the 2021 spring turkey season. I'm just set up here this morning in a field, I'll kind of show you guys. And I have a decoy sitting out there, and it is very, very rainy this morning. It's raining like crazy. My blind's leaking. It has like a bunch of little pinholes in it. As you guys can kind of tell. You guys can kind of see it. And I don't know why, because this is a newer blind. Like, this blind has hardly been used. So I need to figure out how to patch them little holes. So if you guys know a way to fix little pinholes on a blind, let me know. I am literally soaked. It's pouring up. The rain has calmed down a good bit. It was like dumping it down. But it's calmed down a little bit, so hopefully we can hear these turkeys come in. So yeah, so let's start calling in these turkeys. So I want to show you guys real quick the call that I'm using. I'm using this call that I got made by FeatherMoonOutdoors. It is one of their flip pot style calls. Mine is in the Muddy Girl camo because my gun is in like the blue Muddy Girl, which I think it's like Serenity, but yeah. So if you guys want to get yourself a custom call, you guys can check them out. I'll have their website linked down below, and same with their Facebook page. It's really nice. I really like the way the sounds like. I haven't scratched the glass fully yet to be able to use the glass side, but so far I'm impressed with the slate. So if you guys want to get yourself one, I'll have them linked down below. So I just heard these turkeys. Oh, there's one. I can't see him. There it is. Just ahead. Oh, there's a male with her. the rain is starting to pick up again. I don't know if you can see it come in on the camera, but my gun is literally soaked. She's back. She's just a hen. A little update for you guys. So I was getting ready to pack up to leave. I literally had everything packed up. I was outside zippering up the door to my blind, and I heard a turkey gobble like way down in there. And I'm like, and I thought to myself, I'm like, alright, change of plans. So I literally got back in here, threw all my stuff back in here, and got everything back out. And I'm glad I did, because now I have two down behind me gobbling. And of course the wind's starting to pick up again. It did calm down there, so hopefully I can get him called in. So I'll keep you guys posted. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to hear this, but there's a turkey. There's one gobbling clear over there. It's behind me now. It's good. It's working. He's behind me. There's two behind me now. Good. Got the camera stuff on.